everybody, Mike Chipperini at Chipper's Island Adventures, and I am here at Bar Harbor, and today I am going to hike the infamous Beehive Trail. So hey everybody, I just arrived here at the base of the Beehive Trail, and I'm going to be hiking up here. I don't think it's that far of a hike. It looks like it's 0.2 miles or so, so it shouldn't be that bad, but then you get an area that's pretty straight up and you have to climb it a little bit. So this trail isn't so much as a long trail like the North Ridge, a shorter trail apparently. So we'll see how it goes. So let's begin.
Yeah, my phone's in the car.
Okay.
I know how to do it.
Now the thing with these trails, you think they're going to be nice smooth trails, but they're not. Like this is all rocks. It's like a creek bed that's dry right now. It's like a creek bed that's dry right now, although there's some wet spots from yesterday's rain. So I've been here in Bar Harbor a couple of days, but yesterday it just rained all day, which might explain the humidity that we're going to get today, or are getting right now, because it certainly seems pretty warm. And just to give an idea of what I'm looking at here, see a couple people up there, actually a few people coming down. Okay, so now we have, as you can see, it smooths out here. It isn't as rocky as it was down below. But I thought this trail was a long trail, like a couple miles, but apparently it's only about a quarter of a mile. And which isn't too bad, but it is going fairly at a good incline. It's this looks kind of pretty. Nice flat stone. There it is off in the distance. A little warning here. Follows a nearly vertical route with exposed cliffs that requires climbing on iron rungs. Woohoo! I'll tell you, these steep areas, they get to you a little bit. Got the trail marked blue coming up. Oh boy. First vista, sand beach down there. We're getting there. Thing is, it's unbelievably humid today. So even though it's in the 70s, it probably feels like it's in the 90s. So I'm almost at the Beehive. What I've been on is a trail leading to it. So look at that view. And it looks pretty sketchy up there, but once you're in, you're committed. So this should be fun. where the climbing begins. Yes, sir.
For every day that they don't eat, it's like 5 fire codes. It's fine.
Check that out. Good God. A little sketchy here. Looking good.
Mind if we squeeze by?
Well, I'll let you go one sec.
Thank you.
Look at that view down there. Sand beach. Got some type of pleasure craft or tour boat coming in. We're getting there. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Climb these rungs. And then we're gonna go over here. More rungs. You see it. Just gotta bring my foot up. More rungs. All the way up. We're dealing with. Okay, so we have a little bottleneck here. We just stopped for a minute. And what this trail does is it zigzags up the face, overlooking Sand Beach, which is right down here. And as you can see, they're stopped. But I'm gonna go up these rungs. Go ahead and do that.
You can head back down if you want. There's still time.
That's what I'm in for, what I just had on video. So it's not bad. Just don't get too far to the right. This is, we're all stopped up here. It's on.
All right.
So I'm just aiming, that's it? Okay, I'm aiming. Here I am. You want me to?
No, just keep it straight like that. Thank you. Oh boy, look at that view, huh?
Awesome.
We've now entered a point where it's basically almost straight up, holding on to the rungs. Look at that view, huh? We're doing it. I've completed the Beehive. What a hike up that. It's not that far. It's actually relatively short, but you're zigzagging in tight zigzag almost straight up. So you're using a lot of ladder rungs and handholds. And now I'm gonna start heading toward the summit, which is where I'll close out this video. But look at this view up here. Absolutely stupendous. It's beautiful. I was gonna do this yesterday, but I saw it was gonna rain, so I stayed back, and I'm glad I did, because I would have got caught up here in the rain. So let's go ahead and continue on this hike after getting the hard part out of the way. So there it is, folks, the Beehive summit. A lot of people up here.
I don't share the appreciation of like my life.
Yeah, I don't see it. It's like just a cylinder built.
So I'm headed down on the back trail. This trail will take me down to Sand Beach. And I'll tell you what a difference in here. Nice and cool. Got some shade. Although I think I'm getting ready to be exposed to the sun again here. But if you ever get up here and you're in good physical shape, I highly recommend doing that Beehive. I really, really do. It's unbelievable views up there. Along with, it's a nice challenge. If you're into challenging yourself, that's one way to do it. So, okay, so after hiking the Beehive, I came down from the summit, walked a trail around, caught a bus from Sand Beach down to the Bar Harbor Village Green. And here I am sitting in Cherry Stones, where I'm going to have what they listed on the menu as a Cadillac, which is clam chowder and a lobster roll combination. So I think that's a good reward for that hike. Here's a view from Cherry Stones. This is the Village Green in Bar Harbor right here. Kind of the nucleus. Where all the shuttle buses come from Acadia National Park. Well, not all of them, but a lot of them. Ah, a fine ending to a hike. Bowl of clam chowder, or a cup of clam chowder, a lobster roll, and some fries. Listen, if you like this video, feel free to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. All the best to all, and happy hiking.